So viewers, if stunts were a guarantee for Satta, India Bloc would have been in power. Day after day, the alliance which has scripted and directed drama right inside and outside the parliament. And we also saw similar scenes with the parliament session yesterday that began with a no trust in Rahul Gandhi and ended with a no trust motion against the chairman of the house in Rajya Sabha. Now, the India Bloc has moved a no-confidence motion against the Rajya Sabha chair with near 60 signatures. They claim that Jagdeep Dhankar is partisan and muzzles the opposition voice in the House. Congress party, which is battling a credibility crisis of Rahul Gandhi, has lost and joined this lost cause. But it seems that Sonia and Kharge's signatures were not on it. Now, this becomes all the more question if this no-trust motion is merely a political stunt to catch the attention exactly when it comes to the business of the House, because since the last almost 2 weeks, nothing so far has happened. So they don't even have time for a mandatory 14-day period notice as well under Article 67B, since the winter session now ends in about 10 days. Incidentally, there has been no precedence in the last 72 years of a no-trust motion against any Rajya Sabha chairman in the history as well. So the reasons that has now been given, at least 3 notices against the speakers of the Lok Sabha, and all of this were defeated back in the year 1951, 1966 and 1987. Let's show you how the BJP and the Congress has sparred over when it comes to disrespecting the chair.
कांग्रेस पार्टी और उनके साथियों ने लगातार चेयर का अपमान किया है और चेयर का डायरेक्शन को भी नहीं मानते हुए बहुत गलत तरीके से सदन में व्यवहार किया है।
पहली बार 72 सालों में विपक्ष की पार्टियों ने राज्यसभा में चेयरमैन साहब को लेकर एक प्रस्ताव मोशन सबमिट किया है। ये दर्शाता है कि स्थिति कितनी बिगड़ गई है। जिस तरीके से उन्होंने सभा चलाया है, सदन चलाया है, और खास तौर से कल जो देखने को मिला, हमें मजबूर कर दिया। सारे के सारे इंडिया पार्टी सभी ने हस्ताक्षर किया है इस अविश्वास प्रस्ताव पर।
But why is that the opposition is gunning for the Rajya Sabha chairman? Remember, just a week back, they hailed Dhankar as the son of soil when he criticized the centre over the Kisan issue or the farmer issue. But today, they want him to be removed, to be impeached. Watch yourself exactly why the Congress party may be upset with Jagdeep Dhankar.
You should replace, 1 second, Jairam Ramesh, you are so intelligent, so gifted, so talented. You should immediately come and take seat in place of Mr. Kharge, because by and large you are doing his job. A wad of currency notes was recovered by the security officials from seat number 222, presently allotted to Shri Abhishek Manu Singhvi.
जो मेंबर इस हाउस में प्रेजेंट नहीं है वो ऐसे उठाना ये गलत है और किसी के इमेज को डैमेज करना नहीं।
कौन सा मेंबर नेता प्रतिपक्ष ने बोला है तो इसका अर्थ होता है कि उन्होंने स्वतः स्वीकार किया है कि जो सदन के अनुपस्थित सदस्य उनमें से कोई है।
Sabyasachi joining us at this point. Sabyasachi, good morning. However, there has been a response that is coming from the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister suggesting that it is the NDA government that has been a majority as far as leading the both houses of Parliament. And exactly what is the opposition stand against the Vice President or the Chairman of the House that following a no confidence that has now been raised upon him?
Well, that's right. See, opposition wants to send a political message to the central government. That is the reason why, despite having no majority inside the Rajya Sabha, the opposition member of parliament decided that they are going to move a no-confidence motion against Rajya Sabha chairman, Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. Now, the opposition has leveled several allegations against Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar. First of them stating that he is being biased towards the member of parliament from the central government side, and he has not been giving adequate time to the opposition MPs to raise their concerning issues and not giving them ample time in the House to speak. And continuously disrupting the leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge in the house, and whenever he's trying to speak, his mic is being muted, and also naming Abhishek Manu Singhvi in that allegation. So these are some of the major reasons. That is the reason why the opposition had decided to move a no confidence motion against Mr. Dhankar. Now, in this regard, it seems that the opposition is united, because whether it is a Trinamool Congress or it is a Samajwadi Party or the Left Front or the NCP, all of them in fact have extended support to the Congress Party. Meanwhile, the Congress says that Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, since no confidence motion has been moved against him, and he has no right to sit on the chair. Meanwhile, clearly on the other hand, the central government also has hit back at the opposition, stating that the opposition is just doing tamasha and creating ruckus inside the house.
All right, but even when it comes to the opposition, which needs a simple majority to pass the motion, they, however, lack the necessary numbers. When it comes to the 243-member House, however, the opposition members say that the move of this motion is aimed at sending out a message in support of parliamentary democracy. However, when it comes to multiple reasons that have been cited so far, in the removal of Jagdeep Dhankar, saying that there is no trust motion, sans the numbers, let's talk about when it comes to the numbers and how they are placed. When it comes to the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who is the vice president of the country, so a simple majority that is required in both houses to remove him. There are currently 543 members that we are looking at the total strength in the Lok Sabha, whereas the ruling party has 293 MPs. However, when it comes to the opposition, that has the spot of 249 MPs, which is 23 less than that of the majority figure of 272. So the NDA alliance continuously right now has an absolute majority in the Rajya Sabha as well, while the opposition is close to a figure of 100. Now the majority mark of the 245 member in the upper house stands at 123. So this as well, despite having not the numbers in its favor, the opposition thinks that this move is a message that will go across to parliamentary democracy. However, let's talk about exactly what has been taking place within the opposition bloc itself. Amid the growing clamor for change of leadership within the opposition bloc or the India bloc, it appears that the alliance is showing signs of strain as more and more leaders are now picking sides. The Congress on one hand and the TMC on the other hand, who are now locked in a bitter war of words over Mamata Banerjee's direct pitch to lead the India bloc to become the face of the opposition bloc. Now, the Bengal Congress president has accused the TMC and their supremo Mamata Banerjee of derailing a united opposition front on multiple occasions, and also says that she has provided oxygen or ammo to the BJP multiple times. They claim that the party has remained silent on several important issues, and an overambitious TMC was rejected in Goa and in the northeast, limiting the party only to the state of West Bengal. But do all leaders of the alliance agree with the Congress's critical assessment of Mamata Banerjee and her track record? Because so far she has been successful of keeping BJP at bay as far as in the state of West Bengal is concerned. It appears not, however. When it comes to several senior leaders who have already extended their support or they have backed Mamata Banerjee to take the top post of the alliance. Now, the latest was the RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav, who was snubbed by Rahul Gandhi and has backed directly Mamata Banerjee, and this follows the direct endorsement also that came in from the NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar.
कांग्रेस उसकी आपत्ति जता रही है लालू जी।
कांग्रेस को जताने से नहीं होगा, ममता को
मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार यात्रा पे जा रहे लालू जी।
अच्छा जा रहा है, तो अब तो नैन सेकने जा रहे हैं।
न तो ममता जी को दे दिया जाए।
हाँ दे दे।
25 में बोल रहे सरकार फिर से बना रहे हैं लालू जी।
हाँ बनाएंगे हम लोग।
ऐसे कि ममता बनर्जी एक या देशाचा स्वाभिमान नेते आहेत, त्यांच्याकडे क्षमता आहे। आज देशाचा फायदा मिळू दे, त्यांनी जे लोक निवडून पाठवले ते अतिशय कर्तव्यगार, जागरूक आणि कर्तव्य.
Now, in the meantime, let's talk about how the party, the TMC, has been reacting. Citing the support from the top India bloc leaders, the TMC has made it clear that the Congress needs to let go of its ego and focus on tackling the BJP first, which has been the united stand that the opposition parties took when they came together.
तो अब अभी सब पार्टनर ने जो इंडियन अलायंस को जो है उन्होंने बोल रहा है, अच्छा बात है। कांग्रेस को समझना चाहिए
अभी कांग्रेस नहीं समझेंगे तो देश में बीजेपी को हटाना नहीं सकते। अभी आप उनको पकड़ के अभी आप नहीं लीडरशिप नहीं छोड़ेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा।
ईगो
ऐसा ही है, ईगो छोड़ना होगा।
सर, कांग्रेस की तरफ से कहा जा रहा है कि नेशनल पार्टी हम है।
नेशनल पार्टी ऐसा है तो कोई रीजन में अटक गया ना, 3-4 रीजन से छोड़ के तो नेशनल पार्टी कुछ करने नहीं सकता है। ये तो देश का दुख का बात है, ये तो देश का दुख का बात है। कांग्रेस कुछ नहीं करना सकता, इसलिए तो बीजेपी है।
Now, the divide within the India bloc seems to have armed the BJP, which is now directly targeting Rahul Gandhi to say that even his own allies don't seem to have faith in his leadership and now wanting for a replacement.
लालू प्रसाद यादव जी तो शुरू से मतलबी रहे, सोनिया गांधी के आंचल में पहले खेला रहा और अब लग रहा है तब दूसरे आंचल में जाएंगे। लेकिन कौन ममता बनर्जी है? वही ममता बनर्जी जो बंगाल को बांग्लादेश बना रही है। पहले वो रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों को चिन्हित करके बाहर करे, बांग्लादेशियों को बाहर करे। ममता बनर्जी का चेहरा मुस्लिम परस्त और देश विरोधी चेहरा।
एक और अविश्वास प्रस्ताव, नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन राहुल गांधी के खिलाफ। आरजेडी ने भी बोल दिया कि क्या दिक्कत है अगर ममता बनर्जी को इंडिया अलायंस का नेता बना दिया जाए, कांग्रेस के विरोध करने से क्या फर्क पड़ता है। कल समाजवादी पार्टी ने कहा कि राहुल गांधी से नहीं हो पाएगा, राहुल गांधी 55 के हैं, बातें बचपन वाली करते हैं। टीएमसी ने पहले ही कह दिया कि इनको हटाओ और ममता दीदी को बनाओ। लेफ्ट ने भी यही बात कही है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जो है वो अनअकोमोडेटिंग है। इसका मतलब साफ है कि जनता से रिजेक्ट होने के बाद अब कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने एलाइज से भी रिजेक्ट हो रही है।
Right. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi now. Sabyasachi, is the Congress party's, as what the TMC leaders have been citing, ego taking over when it comes to the interest of all the political parties in the opposition? Because the main reason that they came together as an India bloc or as an alliance was concerned was to defeat the BJP. Now, have they shifted from their own ideals?
Well, see, the Trinamool Congress has been hinting that the main focus of the India Alliance was to defeat the BJP, and to do that under this scenario, to give Mamata Banerjee the leadership of the India Alliance is the best option. Now, the TMC continues to hit back at the Congress party. Several of its member of parliaments continuously making statement against the Congress party, that the Congress party on one hand, which claims to be a national party, but they have been just limited to certain regions, and because of Congress party, the BJP is currently in the country, and the TMC time and again has been raising their voices against a change in leadership in the India bloc, and this has been seconded by several other prominent political leaders, be it Sharad Pawar or the Lalu Prasad Yadav, or from the Shiv Sena faction of Uddhav Thackeray. So within the India bloc itself, apart from the Congress party, the other partners of the India bloc are supporting Mamata Banerjee to lead the India Alliance, whereas time and again the TMC is making it clear that whether it is inside the parliament or outside the parliament, inside the parliament itself, they have made it clear that they are not going to stand with the agenda of the Congress party in the parliament, other than on certain mutual issues. Apart from that, they are time and again going to question the Congress and its leadership role in the India Alliance.
All right. So exactly what role now does the Congress play? Because they say that the biggest opposition party is the role that they play, and they will continue to be led under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi. However, it seems that there are many takers who have been supporting Mamata Banerjee to become the opposition face. Let's talk about